In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add menu to Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable site menu sitting in your header so visitors can move between pages with ease. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, look for the plus icon, often labeled Add Elements. This is your toolbox for everything you place on a page: text, images, buttons, and of course, your site menu. Click it to open the Elements panel. Inside that panel, find Menu and Anchor. This category holds the site menu options you'll use for page navigation, as well as anchors you can use to jump to specific sections on a page. For a standard website navigation bar, the site menu is exactly what you want. Clicking Menu and Anchor reveals several menu styles and layouts you can choose from. Pick the type of menu that fits your layout. For a classic website header, select a horizontal menu. This creates a row of page links that feels natural across the top of your site and works well on most screens. As soon as you select it, Wix will add a menu element to your canvas. The items you see are pulled from your site's existing pages, so if you already have home, about, or contacts set up, those will appear automatically. If you later rename or reorder pages in your site settings, the menu updates to match. No extra setup needed. Now place it where it belongs. Click and drag the menu to the top of your header area. The header is the strip that appears at the top of every page, so dropping the menu there ensures it shows consistently across your site. Use the snap guides to align it with your logo and keep spacing tidy. You can center it, align left, or align right. Choose whatever complements your design. If you accidentally drop it in the page body instead of the header, it will only show on that one page, so make sure you see it attached to the header strip before you let go. Once it's in place, you can refine the look. Select the menu and open its design settings to adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and hover states so it matches your brand. If your labels look long, try increasing item spacing or using shorter page names. For sites with many pages, consider grouping pages in your site structure to create drop-downs automatically. As a quick tip, preview your site to make sure every link lands where it should and that the menu stays visible on each page. When you're happy, you're done. Your Wix site now has a professional, functional navigation menu right in the header.